Yo, what's up mga ka-Chismax? Yo, if you're ready, let's go, let's do this. Intro, pasok!
Congratulations, Manny Pacquiao, for being elected to the International Boxing Hall of Fame in just his first year of eligibility. I mean, why wouldn't he? He's one of the greatest boxers of all time. He has won 8 championships in 8 different divisions, which is unheard of. Starting from, I think, 118 pounds all the way up to welterweight. He has won a championship in 3 different decades. The last championship he had won was in 2020, I believe. And against Keith Thurman, and oh my god, what a boxer. One of my favorite boxers of all time, has some of my favorite fights of all time to watch. For example, his fights against Barrera, Margarito, as well as Floyd Mayweather versus Manny Pacquiao was the first fight I ever saw on pay-per-view, which is kind of crazy. It kind of like got me hooked into boxing. But yeah, congratulations, Manny Pacquiao.
Ito mga ka-Chismax, ito no doubt na siya naman nanalo dyan. Bakit ko nasabi? Kasi eto na lang, he is the only 8 world title, 8 division world title, no? Wala na iba. World record yan. So no doubt na makukuha niya Hall of Famer na yan, no? As nominated siya, no? And another thing, lahat ng mga boxing legend, no? Big names in boxing, tinumba niya. So, no doubt na hindi siya manalo dyan, di ba? Siya kukuha niyan, title na yan. Kasi nga, living legend na siya. So, imposible na hindi siya makuha dyan, no? As Hall of Famer. Anyway, sabi ko talagang puputo na to baka Chismax. Kasi nga, syempre, pag ganyan, mga title na ganyan, politika yan, di ba? Syempre, hindi ko naman sinasabi na gano'n mangyayari, no? We hope for the best. Syempre, as a Filipino, no, fighter, boxer, siya yung pambato natin na living legend. So let's all hope na kumbaga siya manalo. Let's all pray na siya makakuha ng title na yan. Kasi nga syempre para sa atin yan, kapanalo ni Manny Pacquiao dyan, syempre panalo ng bansa yan. Huwag natin kakalimutan yun. Laging dala-dala niya yung bansa natin. Kung sino ba mananalo dyan, syempre hope for the best. Let's all pray na si Manny Pacquiao manalo dyan. So yun lang ang point ko, no? Comment down below mga Chismax, kasi gusto ko rin malaman yung mga insight nyo, mga views regarding this. So yun lang mga Chismax. Hanggang sa muli, ito po Cesar Castillo Jr. nagsabi, tirahin mo na yan. At baka tirahin pala iba. Until next time, Chismax with the facts. Peace out.